Yo, what the heck is up? So I got a problem. So I told you guys I was just playing Fortnite. But the graphics are too it's just too confusing. Hold on, when I get in the game I'll show you. Let's just play it. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Like I've been trying to watch YouTube about this and trying to do watching how to videos, but it's not working for me. So we're on 50v50, so many people can't kill us that much. Yeah, when I show you, it's gonna be lagging so much. See, even if I load in the game, it's lagging. Alright, I'm joining the server. Yeah, see, it takes a little while to load in the game. Not sure if that's supposed to be part of the game, cause I downloaded it just yesterday. It just takes a while. Here, alright. Let's join another one. Now see if it works. Sorry for not cutting this out, cause uh, without cutting it out and without cutting, without cutting it out, it's so cringy and weird. But let's just hope that this works. Usually I'll play Fortnite on my PS4 or I'll play Fortnite on Xbox and stuff, my PS4, but really on PC, it's kind of like my second day of badness. If I get better graphics, I'll record. I'll find a way. If you fall down, never. If you fall down, always get up. I'm loading. Oh, Jesus Christ. See what I'm talking about? Oh, wait, it's already alright. Oh, this beat. Let me jump out and show you what I'm talking about. You see, you hear, you hear the intense. You hear the intense lag? Let's see. See what just happened to my head? You see this stupid graphic? This looks just like GTA 4. Like, what is going on? Pressing W. Oh, there's two. Uh, Let me see. If I go over here, it's probably gonna. Well, see how much lag this is? Do you see this graphic? Let's go on the cart. Bruh. Alright, let's go in here. Like, how do I make the lag go away? So yeah, please, if you're watching, please tell me in the comments how to do this, cause like send a link or something to a video that you think helps you, or if you did have lag, and yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys later.